Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Little Mama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm gonna show you how to earn $10 to $20 per day, every day, over and over again by watching videos online and doing very easy tasks. This is going to be a way where you can earn like this and get paid every single week automatically in multiple ways. So this is worldwide, guys, and it's going to be available for a lot of you. So let's get started right now. Hello everybody, I am back in today's method. It's gonna be worldwide, guys. Woohoo! And it's gonna be 18 plus. Boo for some people, but it is 18 plus, guys. And I'm gonna be showing you that this is legit because I'm gonna show you 5-star review. And I'm also gonna show you how this is legit because there's gonna be 2 payment proof. And the earning potential, like a lot of these types of sites, is about $10 to $20 per day, depending on your location, device, and some other factors. Payout methods in multiple ways, so they're going to be good for that. If you wish to learn how to earn a full-time online income instead, then check out the second link in my video description below to learn how to do it with an online business model that allows you to earn passively 24/7 a day and work at your own schedule. That second link is also where I learned from as well, and I've been using this online business model since 2016 and still thriving today, guys. It's really your best and simplest way for a beginner to earn much bigger money online than doing get-to-pay sites like this. Anyway, hope this one works for you. Let's go. Site I want to show you, and this is called Timebucks, and it is found at timebucks.com. Now, this one's a relatively new site, and you could do many different things on here, including posting on TikTok and viewing funny slideshows, playing games, and installing apps, completing CAPTCHAs, posting on Instagram, answering surveys, and there's actually another one called watching videos. I don't know why they don't list it on here, but that is definitely one of the ways to earn on here is watching videos. So I'm going to show you on the inside where you can watch videos, so don't worry, guys. Okay, there's a variety of ways to earn, and you can earn very easily on this site, and they pay out every single week very fast. And the minimum payment that you need is $10. And so basically, as soon as you reach that, it pays out for you, and I'll go through that detail in a second. Okay, so let me take you inside. So I just logged in here, and you'll get the screen where you have to agree to their services. So I'm just going to agree, and here is my screen of all the things that I can do here to earn money, guys. Okay, see, there are people earning money all the time here, okay, from all over the world. So this is definitely a place where a lot of people, different people, can earn, and you can unlock all higher paying service by completing your Timebucks profile. You will also earn 10 cents for completing your profile. So you just click this to complete your profile, and it just gives them way more details so that they can give you surveys that will match your profile and get better surveys to fill out. If I go to the dashboard, there's a way to earn is referrals. So you can always share your referral link to get other people to sign up, and you can earn 15% commission on their lifetime earnings of anyone who you refer to Timebucks, plus 50% commission on their free money winnings. So that is pretty cool, guys. Okay, so that's just one of the ways to earn. So let me go to the earn tab. So these are the ways that you can earn. So surveys is definitely one of them, and there are many panels that you can join for this survey wall that they have, which seems like a lot more choices than some of the other platforms that I've shown on my channel. So here you have content. In this task, you will get paid to click on links from advertisers. So you just get paid to click, guys. Okay, so you're not going to be paid much because you're just paying to click on these ads and just view it for 30 seconds. So look at this. You can even earn fraction of a penny for just viewing content of 5 seconds. So that is a very easy. These are very easy ways for you guys to earn. Okay. Now here is Engage tab, and here you're going to get paid to watch specific YouTube videos. This task is 95% automated, as once the video starts, you can perform other work in another browser, and so it's passive income, guys. Okay, so you're gonna be getting a penny for every 10 seconds you watch. So that is amazing. And then you will also gain 10 sweepstake entries per video that you watch. So watching videos here, you can earn pretty good. So, and then there's 2 bonuses that you can earn here. Loyalty bonus, if you watch 20 plus videos, 2 rounds of 10 for 30 days, you will receive a $1 bonus. You can see the stats below. Once you have finished watching the tutorial, click the green Start Engage button underneath. And the bonus 2 is video review. After you have completed the 30 days and already earned your $1 loyalty bonus, you can now earn another $5. The first 100 people that send in the review and testimony of their experience using Timebucks will earn $5. This is not a raffle. You will earn it if you are among the first 100 people. The winners will have their videos displayed on this page so you can keep track how many have been submitted. The video, however, must be of high quality. It can be a screen share of a video of yourself. So you can start earning here by clicking that and start watching videos, guys. Okay, here's viral videos. So how this works, this task is no doubt the most fun task we have, not to mention the highest reward if you are among 3 weekly winners. How it works, you will make a viral video or multiple videos and post the video on your YouTube channel each week before the cutoff time at the bottom of this page. Each week at the end of Thursday, New York time, there will be 3 winners. This is not a raffle or lottery. It's a competition for who get the most YouTube views. Whoever gets the most YouTube views in this week of contest videos must be published during the week of the competition. You can make the video in any language. We don't care what the video is about. Your sole goal is to make a video you feel will get a lot of views and go viral. And then they give you different ways of making your video and how to get lots of views with your videos. So there's just more information about how to get this done so that you can earn here, okay? So this is a very good way to earn because you're going to be earning a lot more money here, okay? You cannot use this tab without setting up your page. Click here to set up your page. So if you set up your page, you will earn a $1 bonus when you set up a page and get your first post verified, limited to 1 bonus per Timebucks account. To get this set up for your TikTok, guys, you just gotta follow these simple instructions and get it submitted so that you can get approval. And then once it's set up, then you can start posting on here. There are gonna be other instructions. Here you got videos. You could watch videos. Money available to earn is 13 cents total, I guess. But you know, these things you could just play in the background. You just play videos and earn that way in the background while you're doing other things. I mean, I already earned $1. I don't know what I did, but I earned $1 already, guys. So offer walls, let them know which device you want to use for this. So the offer wall usually has more ways and easier ways or faster ways to earn, but these offers, you just gotta be careful. If they are paid offers, meaning there could be a trial and they want your credit card. So just be aware that if you are signing up for one of those offers and you don't want to get charged, you just got to make sure you cancel the trial before it ends. That's all. Just be aware of the paid offers, okay? But there are free offers as well, so you can look out for those. Free money. Okay, so in this task, you will get free money literally. All you have to do is click the roll button and a random number will be generated. Depending on what number you get, you will be paid out according to the payout table below. You can come back every 24 hours to play again to try to win $10. Even if you don't win, you always earn a minimum of a fraction of a penny, basically. You will also earn 50% of whatever your referral get in this page. But remember, if you don't come back the next day, you will miss the chance to get free money. There's an AliExpress tab here. You can use this tab to get cash back on items you want to purchase from AliExpress. Also, this is kind of like a cashback site, like some of the other shopping sites that I've shown, where if you shop through their store here, so you just got click here to go shop. When you shop there, you're gonna get cash back within here. CAPTCHA. So here you could earn by just completing CAPTCHA. People have done this with other sites as well. So you could earn a little bit here too. So everything adds up, guys, okay? Voting tasks, you could get paid to complete fun and would you rather voting quizzes. So there's so many different ways to to earn here. Plus, there's a sweepstakes tab where you could enter for sweepstakes every single, is it week? Yeah, they have weekly sweepstakes, so you could earn as much as 500 to be rewarded to 30 winners each week. So there are lots of ways to earn here, guys, okay? And then how much can I make? So your average earnings greatly depend on the number of factors such as your country, device that you're using, and how long you've been on the site. For example, for the first time, someone from United States using a combination of desktop and mobile devices on their first day, they could earn up to $50. Every day after that, they can earn $10 to $20 depending on how much time they spend on the site. The first time is always the highest because most high-paying offers are available. Some offers only allow you to complete them once, so then they do not become available again. How often do I get paid? You're going to get paid weekly here, okay? Everything is going to be finalized up to midnight New York time on Tuesday. So if you earn anything on a Wednesday, that includes for the following week's payment, okay? As long as you reach $10 minimum in your account, you're going to be paid out. You don't need to like request for payment. So you're going to get automatic payments if you can accumulate $10 in your account. So the methods that they use though are Payer, Bitcoin, Skrill, NetTeller, AirTM, Tango, Card, and bank transfer. So minimum payout is $10. So if you guys want to get paid by PayPal, they don't do it directly, but you can get it paid through AirTM. So if you can sign up for AirTM, then you'll be able to get it into your PayPal account. So the reviews is what I want to show you about the site, and it's amazing, okay? So I found this review on Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a legit review site where users go to talk about their own experience, and here for Timebucks there have been almost 1,000 people reviewing and has 5 stars, guys, okay? Literally, I have not seen sites like this getting such a high score with over like almost 1,000 people rating. That's a lot of people, okay? Most times there's not a lot of people. And you can see that 86% is an excellent and 10 is great. So that's 96% of 1,000 people that really like it. So that is awesome. Here on this blog that I found, Income Posts, there has been payout proofs. So on this site, I just want to show you guys the payment proof here coming from Australian Clearing Party for Timebucks earnings, okay, 1042, and this one 1118, okay? So this is actual payment proof that people have been paid up by the site. So even though you definitely can earn some money here at Timebucks, you earn very little money at a time, but this is a great way for people to start earning online, and it's a pretty fun way to start earning online. But what I advise is that you save that money that you earn and invest in yourself, guys. You want to invest in yourself to learn bigger online skills so you can earn bigger money and earn more passively when you learn how to do it on the internet, guys, okay? I earn a passive online income, a full-time online income, guys. And this is done because I learned online skills on how to build an online business that can generate income on its own. And learning these skills on how to build an online business like that, it is very, very rewarding and life-changing, because when you can have an asset that produces income for you, guess what? The time you have is back in your control, okay? That means that you can schedule your time to work whenever you want, but earn any time of the day, which is what people love for earning passively. So if you want to check out something like that and learn some online skills, it's wise to check out that program in the second link in the video description so that you can learn the right skills, guys, okay? So I hope you will follow my path in using this business model and learn the online skills it takes to succeed. In that program in the second link in the video description will teach you how to do this, and I hope you will join me. All right, so I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, guys. So get notified, okay? So I hope I'll see you on the next video, guys. All right, bye.